I'm Paola from Italy, and it's my first time in Kerala. It's my first Panchakarma, and I I feel I'm feeling that Panchakarma has been very good for me because my body was full of pain in the joint, and I I have a, a lot of pressure on myself, and a lot of stress. And now really I I feel better, really better. It's a good process, very good process. Ashtangam is the right place to do this because is in the forest, no no noise, no dirty air. Uh, Here is a very quiet place, good for me. Thank you.